Alright guys, I'm going to run this mini here for Jake. He's got the 3 Packer bobbleheads here. This is for spots to fill the main. 4 to the top and 3 to the last spot. So top and bottom are going to win spots in the main. We're going to go live. We are live. 6:09 p.m. 6:09 p.m. We are going to grab the list. 14 spots. 14 spots at 2. Drop it into random. 14 entries. Jesse on top. And Jesse on the bottom. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 11 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 times. Dice shows an 11. Next click, top and bottom spot. Good luck. And 11. Congrats to Alan. Spot number 4. You win 4 spots. And congrats to Jesse. Spot number 12. You win, I believe it was 3 spots in the main. Go grab your spots, guys. We are done. 6:10 p.m. We'll go back to the post. Type done. We are done. 6:10 p.m. 6:10 p.m. Timestamp and verification code.